My name is Jack Lilburn. I am one of the two multimedia production instructors here at Minuteman High School in Lexington, Massachusetts. Multimedia production is a shop at Minuteman where we essentially teach kids how to tell a story or communicate ideas through media. The work that our students do in multimedia over the course of their 4 years is basically scaling up in terms of sophistication of projects. Freshman year, we'll start off with very basic storytelling. Sophomore year, the kids do a program called Sight and Sound Film where they'll make upwards of a dozen short films that start off very simple as black and white silent films, but then they get increasingly complicated over the year. Junior year, we do some work with screenwriting, kids making short films that focus on specific screenwriting assignments. It culminates the second half of junior year to do what's called the color sync film, which is a full-on professional film. Senior year, they go ahead and they work on their documentary workshop. You pick a subject from the real world that excites you and consolidate it into a 5-minute long short documentary. Then obviously senior year, we have senior project. The great thing about multimedia production is it's essentially film school without the college price tag. There are all kinds of wonderful technical skills kids can pick up using professional equipment, and they know how to compel other people and be able to communicate ideas because of what they've learned here.
My name is Jackson Weiss, and I'm a sophomore in multimedia. The most challenging part of shop for me is probably coming up with the ideas because I struggle with creating new things, but once I have an idea, I can get going pretty well. My favorite part of this shop is probably the editing process where I get to add all sorts of cool effects and make my projects really come to life. I use Premiere Pro and Adobe After Effects to do most of my stuff. My favorite project I've done so far is last year's final, where I got to incorporate some CGI that I made in Blender and a lot of cool effects as well. Blender is a 3D modeling program where you can also do VFX and just make all sorts of really cool stuff.
My name is Caden Late, and I am a multimedia student. My favorite project that I've done was a music video that I did last year. I put a lot of work into it, and the song I used for the video I really liked, and it came out to be basically exactly what I wanted.
I chose this shop because I really like editing and I got to enjoy that in Exploratory.
The reason I chose the shop is because during Exploratory, when I first got my hands on editing the projects, I realized I had a lot of fun with it. We, aka me and Jackson, are doing the interview project, and we're interviewing DVC.
The shop doc requires me to interview people from another shop and see what their shop is like, as well as film B-roll, which is just some filler footage of the things that they're talking about.
Hi, my name's Christopher Johnson with a K. I think my favorite part of multimedia has to be the community that we make and the friends that we make in the classroom environment. The mentor program is basically the juniors will pair up with a freshman and they'll sort of teach them and be there if they have any questions. It sort of makes the community a bit better. Well, it's already good, but it will make it better. My senior project is learning about working actors and how they keep their career going. I think the part that I'm most proud about, is kind of doing it. Just getting the opportunity and being able to actually complete it. It's not too big of a task. My goal is to become an actor or maybe a filmmaker. If I had to advise freshmen who were coming to multimedia, I'd say join if you are a creative individual, if you want to explore, try new things, film new things, just want to get out there. The road's not an easy one. It's definitely possible. Of course, it takes hard work. So I think if you're hardworking, if you're determined, if you're creative, and if you're driven by your creativity and your imagination, then this shop is definitely for you.